Hey everybody. I will give it a second because this is a totally spontaneous live. I didn't tell you I was going to do it. And in fact, if you can see my desk, I have a project that I have shoved aside that I was getting ready to film when the UPS man knocked on my door. And he had some Christmas presents, and then he had 3 boxes for my delivery. So literally the stack of boxes that he dropped off was as tall as me. And the one box I can't carry up because it has all of my catalogs. Well, all of the regular catalogs. The box, I carried 2 of the boxes up. The one box that I carried up has several of my celebration catalogs. And they're pretty heavy. So I know that the one humongously heavy box that's downstairs does not have, it has my regular catalogs. So if you have ordered from me since June 1st, then tomorrow I will work on getting all of those catalogs. It takes a while for me to get all of the labels, and I wanted to have my winter schedule in it, but because of some shipping issues that Stampin' Up! Had with the dies, I don't want to commit to anything right now with the classes because one of the things I got in here that was for my winter retreat, but the other ones I still don't have the things. So I can see that you guys are saying stuff, hi, but I don't have because this was spontaneous, I don't have anything for me to see. And here's a funny story. I went to the eye doctor today and they texted me that my appointment was today, but it's actually tomorrow. And I need better glasses. So my bifocals don't work far enough so I can't see the comments and I don't have my iPad. So a couple of things I'll just tell you. I have all of these. I have all of my catalogs, and I have maybe 15 extras because I paid to overnight this order. I paid to overnight it so I could have it, and then I also paid to overnight it so I'd have all your catalogs to send you before the weekend. So if you have not ordered from me before, and you place an order before I start processing the labels, because I do it straight from the Stampin' Up! Website. So if you want one, then just hop over to my website and place an order, and then when I pull all the addresses tomorrow morning, your address will be in there and you'll have one. You should have it I'll mail them by Saturday. Hopefully I'll get them in the mail on Friday. But I have a couple of things in here, so I'll show you a couple of the bigger boxes downstairs, but I wanted to show you the baby. It came on its own, because if you're like me and you see things in the catalog, like I hate when they do the stamp sets and it says reduced by 60%, because to me, I'm like, yeah, I have no idea how big that stamp set's going to be. So here is, here's our regular cut emboss machine, right? So we've all seen this in the catalog, and we're like, yeah, there's the cut emboss. Look how sweet the tiny one is, and it came already assembled. Like, she's teensy tiny. And again, you might not be able to see. Let me stand up. She's so teensy tiny. So let me show you, where'd I put them? Like I said, I was getting ready to film. So where's a card? Because I was gonna film, where's a card I filmed yesterday? Here's the card I filmed yesterday. So if you haven't been to YouTube, this one is up on YouTube now. So here's a card, regular card size. And here's the plates. Like, here's the plates. So here's the baby plates. They're so teensy tiny. Like, we knew it was going to be a baby machine, right? It's tinier than my purse. So she's super cute. She's the plates and my card. And this is just a standard card size. So it's so super cute. I can't wait to use it. And in fact, the card that I'm getting ready to film, it's not practical to use this because I can run all of the dies at once in my regular size machine, but I'm going to use her because she's cute. So I'll show you a couple. I haven't even looked in the box because, like I said, she needs a little name because she's precious. It will be great if you are crafting at home, or like when I'm making a card, and because the amount of space this takes up, she can be right here and still have all of your other stuff, whereas opposed when this one's right here, it takes up my whole crafting area, like your stamp, the stamp space. This one you can still stamp and it'd be there. So I will show you just a couple of other things because I haven't even seen them. Here are the Resin Hearts, and these go with the snail mail, which right now is one of my classes. I think I have that one set for February if the dies come in. They were in a shipping accident. We don't know what kind of shipping accident. These are clasps. And all of these things, if you're in my Try It class, like all of these will be included on a card. That's the other reason I overnight this stuff, is so I can get going on designing the class. So here's the little clasps. Can you see those? Wrong way, Cheri. Whoops. They're kind of like the ones that hold our cards onto the little frame. But they're super tiny. So those are fun. I have a Christmas ornaments hanging on my lamp. And every time I stand up, I'm hitting them. So let's see what paper is in here. So oh, look at this one. This one's beautiful. I don't know if I'll show you all of them, but I'll show you a couple of the beautiful ones. This, Chris is at work. And, you know, we usually do these together. So between me having camp this week and my eye doctor appointment that now I will have gone to twice. So this is the new acetate that goes, it's like the mercury acetate that we had last year, but this one goes with the hydrangea suite, so it's colors. So there's purple, and I think this is either pink or magenta. I'm not sure what the colors are, but it's one of our pinks. How pretty is this? Super, super pretty. I can't wait to use this. The mercury acetate was one of my favorite things to work with in last year's holiday catalog. So I can't wait to do it. It's fun to put lights in. It'll be different because, you know, last year when we had it, it was for Christmas cards, and I think in my head, I just see Christmas things. Like, it'll be a little bit of a challenge. Just to reimagine it with it not being a light up thing. Although you can light things up in the spring and especially in the winter. This is the Love You Always Designer Series paper. It's Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose, Sahara Sand, and then Copper. So it's super pretty too. Look how pretty this is. So we've got this pattern. And again, if you're in the Try It class, every card will have at least one paper, and then some of them will have the specialty papers. Every card will have a new ribbon and a new embellishment, and then some new punches. Isn't that pretty? It's a little sad. This one has silver. When we haven't been to an event, because a lot of times when we get this stuff, we've at least seen samples of it because we've been to on stage. But this year, because we watched it at home, we didn't get to see everything. So this is really pretty too. Can't wait to work with this. So that's those. Now when I go to make my card, I'm going to have to clean up my mess again. And then this, I got 2 packages of, because this is stunningly beautiful. It goes with, it's like the shell set. I don't remember what it's called, but it's pearl paper. So it has that shell feeling, like pearls. So it's pearl paper. So pretty. I think it will emboss really pretty. In fact, I think the embossing folder, I think I saw that in this box. Let me see. There's not a whole lot in this box because it was the smaller of the boxes. Yeah, here's the embossing folder. Look at it. So when you emboss this, and it fits with the die. The die, they showed us on stage. Oh, is this the die? Yes. So it fits inside of it. So this was one die that wasn't on back order. So this, it's definitely going to be one of my things. If nothing else is coming in, that it may be a January class. Right now, it is scheduled to be one of the focuses for my online winter retreat. But wait till you see these dies. For all of us that can't escape to the beach in winter. This will be our little winter escape. And so this then lines up and it can fit with these. I don't remember exactly how it works because sometimes I was talking to my friends and not paying a whole lot of attention. Like I would watch the final project. And these are the pearls that go with the hydrangeas. This stuff's all kind of mixed up. Here's the pearl paper. My box is gonna fall over. I have it bouncing on my trash can. I mean, not the pearl paper, the shell paper. I'm not gonna open it. I will do a video with all of these. This is the True Love Designer Series paper. And then there is a strawberry set. And the strawberry set also has some celebration stuff that goes with it. So here's the punch that goes with it. And then this kit is beautiful. I'm doing kit classes in December. But again, if the shipping issues continue and we don't get the dies in time, this may be a January class. There are some other clips in here. Oh, I think these are hearts. And then some raspberry ribbon. So that's this first box. And so watch my channel because I will be showing you all of the things in the next couple of days, or all of the things that I got, which like I said was a stack as tall as me, although there were some Christmas presents in it, and a lot of catalogs because I have a whole lot of catalogs. Tomorrow will be almost a full day of shipping. So if you have purchased from me on my website, all my camp girls will be here on Friday, so they'll get to take a catalog home. It's like dessert, though, when you come to camp. You have to finish your camp projects before you get the new catalog. So they'll get to take them home. I have both the January mini and the celebration ones. If you want me to mail you one tomorrow, then just hop over to my website. When I'm done with this, I'll go on and I'll put my website on underneath and place any size order, and that will put your information into my mailing list, and I will send you one. So everybody needs a little baby machine, and this will be available to everybody starting in January. And the best thing is when you buy it in January, you'll get a free celebration item with it. So that's fun. So if there's something that I've shown you right now that you want to see, because when I do this, I'm always like at a loss for where to start creating. So now I have to clean this up so I can go back and film the card I was working on. There's also information on my website to get into my Try It class. It is filling up quickly, but it's 10 projects and we use all of the new stuff, all of the new papers, all of the new specialty papers, all of the new ribbons, all of the new embellishments. So in the class, it's online, but you get to either, if you do the kit one, you get all of all of your projects will have something new. And if you do the online version, then you get to see it all. So everybody have a great day. Bye.